Hello everyone and welcome back. Neil Explains. Today we have this viral math question which is picture or you can see emoji based. Here we can see apple plus apple plus apple which equals to 15, and here we can see these are three apples. So to get the value of one apple we have to divide with 3 which equals to 5. So value of one apple will equals to 5 here, and again we will move forward the value of 5 apple here. Now as you can see 5 plus 1 banana plus 1 banana which equals to 13. So to get the value of 2 banana we have to subtract value of 5 here. So we will write 13 minus 5 which equals to 8, and this 8 will be value of 2 bananas. So to get the value of 1 banana we will divide with 2 which equals to 4. So value of 1 banana will be 4 here. Again we will move carry forward our value here, which is banana value is having 4, and 4 plus this one grapes which equals to 7. So value of grapes will be 7 minus 4 which equals to 3. So value of grapes will be 3 here. Now we will rewrite our value in this particular equation. So we will write apple having 5 plus banana have the value 4. So here we will write 4 square minus the grapes will have value 3 and times 2 is equals to what? So here our equation is 5 plus 4 square minus 3 times 2. So we will solve this value. 5 plus 4 square minus 3 times 2. Here we will use PEMDAS again, and we will operate like this. Here we can see first preference will be given to here this exponent part which is 4 square, which will give here 4 square, that is equal to 4 times 4 which equals to 16. So we will simply write 5 plus 16 minus 3 times 2. Now according to PEMDAS we have to operate this multiplication first, so we will write 3 times 2, that is equal to 6 here. Okay, so our next it will be written as 5 plus 16 minus 6, like this. Now as you know addition and subtraction have equals value, so we will do left to right here. So we will operate from like this. We will operate this first addition, that is 5 plus 16. So we will get answer 21 minus 6, and 21 minus 6 will be 15. So here 15 is the right answer here, and must check out these math videos. Thanks for watching.